Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute egg for Easter. I use 5 mm hook and yarn. Make a magic circle. Make one chain. Go to this ring. Pull up yarn. Make single crochet. Make 7 single crochet. With this chain we have 8 stitch in first round. Slip stitch. Make one chain, go to this hole, make one single crochet, go to next hole, make one, two single crochet, go to next hole, make one, two single crochet, go to next hole, make one, two single crochet, one, two, one, two. Make two single crochet in last stitch. Go to first chain, slip stitch, make one chain, first stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, make one single crochet in each stitch. Go to first chain, slip stitch, make one chain and continue like this for more rows. Make one single crochet in first stitch and one single crochet in each stitch, 4 more rows. After 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rounds, go to first chain, slip stitch, make one chain, go to this first stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, make one single crochet, two single crochet, three single crochet, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, go to next stitch, 1 2 3 single crochet, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, decrease 2 stitches, make 1 2 3 single crochet, go to first stitch, slip stitch, make one chain, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, decrease 2 stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to first stitch, slip stitch, make 1 chain, make 1 chain, make a chain, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through,